everybody, this is your Black China doll. I am coming in from my new diva room, y'all. I don't want to reveal it just yet, but we will reveal it. And I hope everybody is doing well. I'm sorry for the delay in the videos, but I have really been busy redecorating, finding pieces for my new diva room space, and you know, trying to really get into cleaning up, deep cleaning, and getting old stuff out, a lot of old clothes, because I've been doing a lot of shopping as everybody has, and just, you know, trying to do that. But the room that is finished, it's my new laundry room, and I had a whole room built for washer and dryer. So I wanted you guys to check it out and tell me what you thought. Alright guys, stay tuned. Laundry room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun putting it together. It took about 2 months for them to actually build the room and get everything done, and then it took me another month to find all the stuff, find the right washer and dryer that I wanted. So it was a labor of love, but it is so good to have a laundry room and don't have to go to the laundromat. Alright guys, this is your Black China doll coming in with a little, what do you call it, sprucing up, addition to the house, you know, remodeling. I say quarantine flips is what we doing. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.